Okay guys, spring is sprung here. Clay's working outside. We got the bulb gardens coming in. We put up a new flag. The greenhouse is officially open. Got some, I don't know if you can see them or not. Some daffodils. Like you're probably looking at the weeded pond. But there's some daffodils over there. And not a lot of stuff green yet, but it's coming. And the trees haven't yet sprouted, but it's definitely in the 50s and it's warmer. So there you guys go. It's a busy day and he's out here working. And I'm out here working too. So remember guys, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.